Okay, the problem discussed the trade receivables. This is the calculation. 5 lakhs divided 15 lakhs into 100. So whatever the simplification, you will get it. See here 33.33%. Similarly, our Star Limited. See 2 lakhs divided by 18 lakhs into 100. So simplification, you get it 11.11%. So that's what your answer is here. Okay, that's what your answer. See here. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the other one problem. This is based upon, this is the problem at straight away at done it. So this is up to this is the problem. See here, common size balance sheet for the same company for the different period. For the Alpha Limited, see common size balance sheet of Alpha Limited as of 31st March 2019 and 2020. Okay, the same manner up to this, right as it is. This is the problem. So some directly done it for the workout. Okay, equity and liabilities, share capital 60 lakhs and 80 lakhs, and reserves and surplus 8 lakhs and 12 lakhs, and non-current liabilities under that long-term borrowing 20 lakhs, 24 lakhs, current liabilities under the short-term borrowings 12 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Okay, the liabilities total, this is 1 crore. So the zero is very important. How many zero I put it here? 1 crore. This is 1 crore 20 lakhs. Okay. Similarly, assets, non-current assets, fixed asset under the tangible asset 60 lakhs and 80 lakhs. Then similarly, intangible assets 12 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Then current asset under that inventories 20 lakhs and 24 lakhs. Then cash and cash equivalent 8 lakhs and 12 lakhs. The asset total 1 crore and 1 crore 20 lakhs. Okay, so this is the problem. So directly I written maybe the sum. So instead of twice, so this is the whatever the problem. So first we have to work out same manner absolute amounts 31st March 2019 2020. This is for the same company for Alpha Limited for different period. Okay, for that we are going to discuss common size balance sheet. Okay, here headings percentage of balance sheet total again 31st March 2019 and 31st March 2020. Okay, now the same manner how the workings also I'll leave it discuss now. So workings only the time consumption for this. So very easy, very interesting chapter this. Same share capital see for 2019 60 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100. So I simplify this. Okay, so cut it all this 0, then this 0, then this 100, you get 60% here. Similarly here same all this 50 10 here 10 here. So finally I get it. So 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8. So I make it 2 into 100, 200 divisible by 3. Because this is the calculation, we get it 66.67. Okay. So once you return this immediately, come for our front page. See I return here 60 and 66.67. Okay. Now coming for the reserves and surplus, same manner. It's very simplification here. This is very easy like this. So again all 50 here 50 here 100. So we get it 8%. This one. Similarly here this 50 same here 10 here 10. So 12 cut it. Finally we get 10%. So once you completed here, I transferred here. See here 8% and 10%. Okay. Now again for the long-term borrowings. See here I written here long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. See here long-term borrowings. So same manner 20 lakhs divided by 1 crore. So all this 50, this here 50. But similarly this 100 cancel. So you will get it 20%. Okay. Similarly here see 24 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs into 100. Simplification easy one, this one. All this 50 here 50 here 10 I cut it. So here 10. So 2 into 12 24. So 20%. Okay, 20%. So once I completed here, I coming for our main sheet here. See 20 here 20%, here also 20%. Okay, likewise. Then again for our long-term borrowings, same manner. Long-term borrowings. 20 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100, 20%. Very simple one. clear all the 0. One here, see all 6 0 cancels, here also cancel 100. Finally we get this 20%. Then here also 24 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs. Simplification 20%. Okay. So the same manner coming for the front sheet. So I written here 12%, say 12%, then 3.33. So once this is over, I said already, again you make it 100. So total must be 100. So our liability side is over. Okay. So liability side over. Clearly you have to confirm it. Okay. So cross verification also you have to done it, whether our work is correct or not. Total should be 100. So our liability side is over. Now coming for our asset side. Okay, asset side. So short-term borrowing, here worked out. Here, short-term borrowing for liability side. 12 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100. Okay, simplification 12%. Similarly here, same manner. 4 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs. Simplification 3.33%. Okay, so again, I done it here. See here. That's what, 12%, 3.3. Now coming for the liability side. So liability side, same manner. See here, tangible assets. 60 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100. So when you write like this, how I written 60 lakhs, 1 crore, write equally, your cancellation is very easy. So usually you can do it like this cancellation. So this 100, this 100, so you will get 60%. Okay, that's what the understanding. The technique is very, very important. Okay. Similarly here, 80 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs into 100. Same simplification. Clear all this 50, here 50, here 10, here 10 cut it. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So I consider 200 divided by 3. So we'll get the answer after this calculation 66.67. Similarly, our intangible asset, same manner. Okay, once we completed this, yes, again coming for the front page, we have to work out, see here, asset side 60 and 66.67. So whenever completed, immediately you have to fill up here. Then the work is very easy for us. Then intangible assets we completed. Now intangible assets 12% and 3.33%, as I said. Okay, I will show it here how the workings. Okay, so same manner you make it two classification, put the line and put each and everything heading. So presentation is very, very important. That's what in comparative and common size statement, very easy. Only thing, the calculation only time consumption. How quickly you are going to discuss. Okay, here inventories. Inventories 20 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100. So easy simplification. Here all 50, here 50, here 100. So finally this 20 we can do it. Okay, 20%. Then similarly here 24 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs into 100. The same manner all this 50, here 50, here 10 I cut it, here 1. Then 2 12s are 24, so 20%. Okay, immediately say this 20% and this 20%, immediately you make it for our main sheet. Okay, so main sheet 12, this 12 and 3.33 done it, then this 20 and 20. Okay, this 20 we done it. This is for the our asset side. Okay, 20. Then cash and cash equivalent. 8 lakhs divided by 1 crore into 100. Same here 50, here 50, here 100. So simply the 8% you can get it. Similarly here, see here 12 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs. All this 50, here this 50, here 10 cut it 1. So 12. So final answer is 10%. So like this is very easy calculation. So whenever the odd number only is you find very difficult to do the work, extra work only thing. Okay, how is simplification here itself is very, very important. I will quickly work completed. Okay, so then 8%, 10%. Again coming for our first page. Okay, see here 8% and 10%. Similarly, when you total it everything, you will get it definitely 100. So suppose unable to get 100, so we easily know that we have done the mistake somewhere. Okay, accordingly we have to verify our problem is correct or not in our main exam. Okay, for this chapters what you discuss, comparative statement and common size statement, you can easily score 4 marks only by the concentrating on how to do the working notes is very, very important. So, okay, so don't do it in pencil. You write as it is, same manner. Make it the two. See here, same manner. Put it in working notes. Then two column, whatever whether same company or different years, whatever each heading. So accordingly put the line. So whenever you once you get the answer, immediately you have to come for our balance sheet, main sheet. Okay, so we fill it then and there. So then only work is very easy. Okay, so that's what we have completed our common size and comparative statement. Accordingly, I will give you the worksheet based upon that I will give you. Okay, so thank you. Good morning, students. So we earlier discussed common size statement based upon profit and loss account. Today we are going to discuss common size balance sheet. So how you are going to prepare according to balance sheet problem. Okay. Here I worked out one problem from T.S. Grewal. Just I read the problem. Prepare common size balance sheet of Sun Limited and Star Limited as at 31st March 2020. So particulars and two column, Sun Limited and Star Limited. So equity and liabilities, share capital, shareholders fund, 9 lakhs and 12 lakhs. Similarly, under that share capital. Okay, then reserves and surplus 4 lakh and 3 lakh 50. Then current liabilities, trade payables, nothing but creditors. Okay, 2 lakhs and 2 lakh 50. The total comes under Sun Limited 15 lakhs for liability side, then Star Limited 18 lakhs. Okay, it's an asset side. So non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible. You already know what you mean by tangible. Tangible, it is visible. Okay, so 10 lakhs and 16 lakhs. Similarly, our current assets, trade receivables are coming under debtors. Okay, 5 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Okay, so total here also 15 lakhs and 18 lakhs. That's what our problem. So the same problem. So we have to write how to prepare common size balance sheet. Okay, so I written as it is already. Okay, just you have to write common size balance sheet. See, common size balance sheet of Sun Limited and Star Limited as on 31st March 2020. Here there are two companies. Not same company for different years. Here there are two different companies. How to prepare common size balance sheet? Okay. So first we have to write as it is, classified as particulars, equity and liabilities, share capital, reserves and surplus, current liabilities, trade payables. So 9 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 3 lakh 50, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50. Same manner we consider absolute coming under absolute amount. Sun Limited, Star Limited. Okay. Then we make it one more heading, percentage of balance sheet total. Sun Limited, Star Limited. Okay. So similarly, so we have to write it, first we have to write it as it is from the sum, liability side and asset side. Both way I written. See here. Here also. See, fixed assets 10 lakhs, 16 lakhs and current assets 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs total. Okay. First we write as it is. Based on that, again, we already know we are going to prepare working notes. Okay, so working notes, what is my suggestion? We have to make it like this. Okay, so working notes, Sun Limited, Star Limited, you make it lines like this, two separate column. So each heading you are going to do working notes. Here working note is very, very important. Okay, because as we already said, there is no calculator. Here mathematical calculation very important. How quickly are going to calculate? That's what very, very important for this problem, common size problem. Okay, see here. So share capital, everything based upon our assets total. So 9 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs. Okay, here 50, here 50. So I simplified as 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 3 into 3 9. Okay, then again I simplify, 2 5s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 0. 25s are 100. Okay, then I multiply 3 into 20, 60%. Similarly here, again 12 lakhs divided by 18 lakhs into 100. Okay, here also same, 50 you have to cut it, 50 you have to cut it. Okay, so I make it at 2, 9 2s are 18. Then I make it 3 6 are 18, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so similarly 200 divided by 3, so simplification, 6 3s are 18, the balance to 0, again 6 3s are 18, balance to 0. So likewise 66.67% I done it. Okay, so once we finish this, I have to work out here, 60% and 66.67. Similarly, we have to go to again our second workings, reserves and surplus. Same manner, 4 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. Okay, so here again 50, then here 50 cut it, then I make it 3 5s are 15, again 20 5s are 10. Okay, easily 4 into 20 80, so simply we divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6, balance 2, again down 0, 6 3s are 18, so balance 2 0, so point decimal. Unable to divide, put decimal. Okay, again 6 3s are 18. Likewise, if you do, you get is 26.67. To keeping on do for 26.666, so consider 2 decimal. So here we put 6, here I put 6, so become 6 become 7. Okay, that's what here. Similarly here for our Star Limited, again same manner. 8 lakh 50, see our Star Limited, what is the value of the our resource and surplus? 3 lakh 50. Okay, so 3 lakh 50 divided by our total liabilities 18 lakhs into 100. Okay, once a simplification, we will get it same manner, cut it 40 here, 40 here. After simplification, this will get 175. Okay, divisible by 9. So once you do the divisible, whatever easily, so divisible should be very careful. Okay, so 175 by 9, how many times? Accordingly, I calculated here. So once after this calculation, get it 19.44. So once we completed here, immediately coming for this page, we have to write it 26.567 and 19.44. Then coming for the sundry trade payables. Under that, sundry creditors. Okay, so same manner, 2 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. Okay, so I same 50 I cut it, here also 50 cut it. So here same 3 5s are 15, 20 5s are 100, then finally you get it 2 into 20 40. So 40 I get it. I classified divisible by 3. So once you simplification, see I have done the working simplification, this will get 13.33. Similarly here our 2 lakh 50 divided by 18 lakhs into 100. Okay, again same manner, here 40 cut it, here 40, here 10 cut it. A simplification 5, 9 into 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10. So once you get it, answer 25 into 5, 125. So divisible by 9. So after this calculation, see I shown here, you will get it 13.89. Once you finish this, immediately you have to fill up here our main balance sheet 13.33, then 13.89. So our liability side is over. Here 100%. Okay, always our total is 100%. Once you totalate everything, get it 100. So here in this problem, we can easily say our main exam, our problem is correct. Okay, so we can surely once you get it total is 100, our problem is correct. That's what I put it already here 100 100. See here also asset side also 100 100. Okay, now going for the assets classification, our non-current asset, fixed asset, tangible. Okay, same workings how you have worked out. Okay, so here same manner you have to make it 2 classification. Fixed assets same 10 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. Okay, so simplification, here 50, here 50 cut it, then 3 5s are 15, again same 20 5s are 100. Okay, I consider 10 into 20 200 divisible by 3. So after this calculation, I have shown it how I done it. So quickly I have to calculate by easy way. 63s are 18 like that. If you keeping on do it, you get 66.67. Okay, similarly here our Star Limited, same manner, 16 lakhs divided by 18 lakhs into 100. Same manner, 50 I cut it, here 50, so 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16. So naturally 80, 800, 8 into 100, okay, 800 divided by 9. So once I get it divisible by 9, we will get the answer for 88.89. Immediately come for the front page, we have to write it here, see here, front page I will show you here. Front page immediately I write 66.67, 88.89. Now, finally, our trade payables. Okay, trade payables here, same manner, 2 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs and 100. Same manner, here 50, here 50, 3 5s are 15, 20 5s are 100. So, okay, so finally I get it 2 into 2, 40, divisible by 3. So, after divisible 3, you have to calculate this like this, you will get 13.33%. Similarly, here, 2,50,000 divided by 18 lakhs into 100. Okay. At simplification here also, here we have to write it 2,50,000 divided by 18 lakhs. Okay, here 40, here 40, here only 10 is here. I got it 10, 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10. So once I get it 125, same manner simplification divisible by 9, you get 13.88. Okay, so once 13.33% is here, first unlimited, star limited 13.89. Okay, after completion of this, again see here, I write it here. 13.33, 11.11%. So here, so finally once you total it, should be coming 100. So here also 100. So any mistake here, suppose unable to get 100, somewhere done the problem. That's why we can clarify here itself whether the problem is correct or not. You can easily confirm that yes, once you get it total 100, here also 100, common size statement, balance sheet, in the examination itself, you can easily know that problem is correct. This way is very, very interesting, very easy. Okay, so what is my request? You have to use your pencil, pen and scale, whatever, make line like this. Okay, full problem we done it here. This is whatever full problem. See here, this presentation is very, very important. Presentation is very, very important. See, you have to use pencil. And one more thing, here also you have to write note number. Same manner, the format is very, very important. Okay, our balance sheet, the format is very strictly they have to follow. You have to follow the format. Okay, that's what. Here only thing, working notes is very, very important. So working notes we have to do like this. See, I shown here working notes, I have done it. Make it 2-column classify. One share capital, once you do it everything both way, immediately you have to coming for the balance sheet you want to fill up. Then only you will be never miss the information. Okay, so that's what we want to clearly make it clear. Okay, that's what this problem, common size statement, the main exam is supposed to finish just 5 minutes. Okay, that's what. Once again I will show the problem very clearly. Okay, thank you. So we will see the next problem for the our next video. Okay, thank you.